Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Excel files in your system. Most commonly, you can simply double-click an Excel file, and it will open automatically if Excel is installed. If that doesn't work, you might need to check your file associations. You can also right-click the file and choose Open with to select Microsoft Excel from a list of programs. This ensures your system knows how to handle these files correctly. If your Excel files aren't opening with Excel by default, you'll want to adjust your system settings. Navigate to your operating system's default app settings. Here, you can specify which program opens certain file types. Find the XLSX and XLS extensions and set Microsoft Excel as their default application. This ensures all future Excel files open correctly with just a double-click, saving you time and hassle. Sometimes, even with correct settings, issues can arise. First, ensure your Microsoft Office suite is fully installed and up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. If necessary, try repairing your Office installation through your system's control panel or settings. If only certain files are problematic, they might be corrupted. Try opening them on a different computer or recovering an earlier version if available. For more stubborn files, try opening Excel first, then using the File Open dialog from within the application itself. This can sometimes bypass system-level association issues. Also, if you're dealing with older XLS files, converting them to the modern XLSX format can improve compatibility and performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other helpful deals. These steps should help you confidently open any Excel file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.